you're having sex and you're lying about it.
No. And I have a new symptom. I have a rash on my butt. Do you want to... What is it?
It's a carpet burn.
No, it can't be. Doctor, I love sex. I miss it. I haven't had any in over a year.
Well, that's to keep disappointment, so you have no short-term memory problems. Multiple personalities. Find yourself losing chunks of time. You wake up and you don't remember falling asleep.
No, I just wake up really exhausted.
Something upsetting you.
No. My ex lives in the apartment downstairs. He's always calling me, always wanting to get back together, complaining about mixed signals. Get out of my life. How much clearer can you get?
We have a sleep lab in the basement. Nothing else will get you away from your ex for a night.
Evie! 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 Hello, baby! Oh, careful. Hello, baby!
I just follow the center of arrogance.
Another slightly enlarged node over here. 2 more in his neck and 1 in his groin. And there's a cyst in his liver.
It's complex. Central necrosis?
Spontaneous bleeding is benign. I was rooting for a really